What's up, everybody? Welcome to T and Sharenda's TV. I'm Sharenda, and welcome back to another challenge. So, before we get started, if you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way, y'all will be notified when we upload a new video. If you are new, if you're not new, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We appreciate y'all coming back. This is another challenge. This challenge called Let's Be Corny. Corny. But anyways, welcome back. So this challenge was created by Steel City. Yes, she did it again. And she called us out. So, babe, my fiance T, she couldn't be able to do this challenge, but I'm gonna do this challenge. So what you have to do, what you got to have is 2 corn dogs and 2 corn on the cob, whole, half a stick of butter. You got to roll this half a stick of butter constantly. I guess each time you eat a bite. You gotta have 3 different types of sauce. It could be any 3 sauce you like, but one of them have to be some type of hot sauce. It could be the 2-times sauce, but this time I am not doing the 2-times spicy sauce. So, and we gotta try to beat Steel City time. I think her time was like 7 minutes, but the time limit is 6 minutes. She went over 6 minutes. I told Steel City I think I could beat her. Yeah. But anyways, let's get right into this challenge. I don't want to make this video long, and I'm ready to get this challenge out the way. So, but yeah, and let's, right. Amen. All right. So what I'm gonna have to, I got some ketchup. Put some ketchup in here. I got some mustard. We have to buy a whole new bottle because we went through mustard and ketchup right here like crazy. And I got some hot sauce. It's a whole nother new bottle of hot sauce. Let me take the top off. Let's take a little bit of my time. There we go. I just about used the whole darn bottle. Okay. The time will be on the screen. Okay. So I'm gonna try to beat her. Beat her time. Alright. 1, 2, and 3. The screen will be starting now. Ooh, Lord. You got constantly. Oh, Lord. Yeah. I might need to stand up for this one. Yeah. And you got to get your corn dog and all of the sauce. Yeah, I'm gonna have to tell up. Can't have nothing to drink with this challenge. Corn dog hot. I just took it out the hot grease. I hate all this stuff. I tell you, this is a mess. I don't know. Still see. Hope I beat your time. Just pray and hope I don't go on no 7 minutes like Steel City did. Oh, hot. Make sure I ain't got no corn left. I don't cheat. Where's my corn go? I'm gonna smash the corn dog. Come on, good though. I love corn. I eat corn all day. started out a whole lot of nothing. Let's be corny. I'm done. That's it. That's well my time was. Now I gotta have something to drink after this now. Oh, I tell you, that done fill me up. Come on now, Steel City. Uh-huh. What you think? Mm-hmm. Yeah. But this was the challenge called Let's Be Corny. This challenge was created by Steel City. All the mukbangers out there, y'all can give it a try. I really don't want to call nobody out, but there's a few people I do want to call out to do this challenge. I think she already called some couple people out. I don't know, Casia Frame. I want to call out Feasting Girls and Peaky Deal and Mama Deal. So I don't want to call out too many people on this challenge, but you feel free to do this challenge. You know, let's grow. I think I beat your time, Steel City, but yeah. But anyway, thank y'all for tuning in to TN Winners TV, and this challenge was created by Steel City. Let's be corny. Hey. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And